this is for me. Cool. Nice. Something really exciting's happened. I had a great big parcel come in today. I want to show you what it is. Right. Actually, first I'm going to need a knife. Give me a second. Right, I'm going to need one of these. Which one? Let's just choose the smallest one. This will do. Okay, so, really excited about this. Right, this is going to be my first unboxing, by the way. My first unboxing. I hope I do this right. Okay. So, by the way, Amazon Prime, best thing ever. It's like, I literally ordered it last night. So, the fact that it came the next day, during the day, I was amazed. Okay, so. Oh geez. Now what is it with Amazon, right? So, the amount of times I've ordered something off Amazon and the parcel's just not that big, but it's just stuffed in a massive box like this and just filled with this stupid cardboard paper. It's just stupid. Don't see the point. Really don't. So, anyway, this is the thing we're interested in. So let's pop that out of the way. Get the knife. Probably don't need this knife actually, but hey ho, let's just keep it going. Because I love knives. It's probably not the way to do it, but hey ho. What's this? Ooh. That's really strange. They've given you gloves. Like actual gloves. That's really strange. Okay. I don't see the point in that. Yeah, let's throw that away. Okay, perfect. This is a Crane Plus. The Zhiyun Crane Plus. Now, I had the old one, so I had the V2, which was great, but the problem was the A7S, I wanted to then put a battery grip. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not actually sure if the battery grip will work with the Crane Plus, but the Crane Plus has a bigger payload than the V2, so obviously the V2 is smaller than the Crane Plus, so we're going to see what happens. So, let's just open this bad boy. Okay, so let's see if I can actually get into this. Right, finally got into it. Okay. Ah, awesome. Oh, nothing in the box. Again. Right, so this comes exactly, from what it looks like, it looks exactly the same as the sort of the bulletproof, I always call it like a gun case, because it always looks like a gun case. I quite like it actually, it's unique, I'll give it. But, I don't actually know, size comparison wise, so this is the V2. Is pretty much the same size as the V2. Interesting. Okay, so we'll see. Let's see what's inside this, shall we? So, very nice. I love the look of this. It looks so nice. So it comes with a lot more things, and it looks like a lot better. So, this is the V2. This is what's inside. Now, bear in mind that I have, well, I've sort of kept of it. Obviously, the battery charger for this is out, and the batteries obviously are missing because they're in the charger, because I'm charging it at the moment. but from what I can see, so this is quite a soft material. Now I never thought that if you're sort of transporting this around, this wasn't going to be very sturdy, but it looks like the actual Crane Plus, like the foam, is actually really hard, which is really unique, which is really cool. So it means that you can sort of knock it around. Not that you should knock it around, but if you do knock it around, you know that everything's going to be safe. Look into the V2. Let's look into the Crane Plus. What's this? Probably user manuals. User manuals. Don't need those. What's this? So this is the actual grip tape that Zhiyun have provided. It just gives you instructions on how to apply it, but I play tennis, so I actually do know how to apply grip, which is good. So, charger. Now, according to the website, these are supposed to last for 18 hours, whilst the V2s should last up to 12. So hopefully it should be more run time, which is cool. Don't know if they actually have any charge. Let's give them a charge. Right. This might actually be probably the worst unboxing on YouTube. The amount of things I've done that you shouldn't do is probably quite impressive. So, you've got the actual bottom end of the Crane Plus. This, I believe, is a tripod. So that's actually quite cool. I don't know. I might actually use this foam for my shoots. It just makes life easier. Oh, these feel really robust. Quite tight. It's not going to move. Yeah, it's good. Obviously it comes with a 1/4 inch, which is good. So I can use that on my other accessories like my lights, which is nice. Comes with two, I think they're 1/4 inch, I believe. Right, so these, I can take that off. These must be the cables. So yes, so this sort of, I don't know, it's like a greyish purplish cable is for the Sony, and I believe, what's this? For Panasonic, won't need that, and this is obviously the charger, the USB for the charger. Okay, it's cool. Right, let's take this out. Oh, it's so nice. But what I like is that the actual screws themselves, these are like rose gold, which are quite nice, and it's got a sparkle. There's a bit of a sparkle to the Crane Plus. Strange. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these out. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so I'll put the batteries in here. Let's adjust this. Now, in terms of sort of the controls on this looks pretty much exactly the same as the V2, so I won't have any problems with this, which is good. It's attached to the tripod. Now this will be absolute heaven when it comes to balancing. Okay, so I'm going to have the Crane Plus here. What I'll do is I'll set up the V2. So give me 2 seconds. Right. Just realised my tabletop mount is being used for the LEDs. So give me 1 second. Okay, so there's a tabletop. So like I said, this is the Manfrotto tabletop tripod. This doesn't actually come. So like I said before, try not to get something that has a ball head, because once you have a ball head it starts moving, and then if it's not tight enough, that's when things can fall and break. So get a tripod without a ball head. So just like that. So, oh, by the way, the lighting might be different. So there goes my continuity, ruined. What I'll do is I'll attach the camera, and sadly I can't actually show you how I balance it because I don't actually have a secondary camera. So I can't show you, otherwise I would. That might be a future video if I have someone else that has a camera, a decent enough camera. So maybe in the future I will show you how to balance a camera. So give me 2 seconds. Like I said yesterday, today is the next day. So what we're going to do, basically, go do some test footage around the back of my house. Some quite nice views, as you can see. So currently I have the A7S with no battery grip on, no mic on, and it's just the A7S. And it is currently on the Crane Plus. So I'm sort of in the selfie mode, just to talk. Obviously I don't have any microphones, so the camera audio might be a bit crap, so apologies for that. But like I said, what I've got at the moment is the A7S with a diffuser filter, Tiffin quarter, power, and then I've got a ND filter just because it's very bright outside, so just to darken it a bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot some B-roll, and yeah, hopefully you'll like it. So, like I said before, I don't have a microphone, so the camera audio might be a bit crap, so I do apologise for that. But, so looking at this, sort of having a go with the new Crane Plus, it doesn't feel much different to the V2. Obviously with the camera, it's got a bigger payload, so I can put my 16 to 35, which I'm on now. So I'm at the moment on 16, I believe, yeah. And it's really nice actually, and what I really like about it is the POV mode. So it gives you that sort of tilt, it allows you to roll the camera up to about 45 degrees, and it gives some interesting shots, you really do. Some shots you would sort of normally have to do sort of handheld, but with this it allows you to do that, and it gives some interesting shots. So I hope you like the B-roll. And if you do like my videos, like and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Peace!